Have you seen footage like this before?
Yeah.
Yeah, videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is it?
It's ruthless.
Yeah. We're basically showing standard industry practice. This is how 90% of all animal products get on the dinner table.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you think there's anything we can do to keep this from happening?
I don't know, maybe.
Convince the government to impose regulation,
Maybe
how to handle them.
more
Okay.
regulations because
Well, these are all RSPCA approved. They're
yeah.
USDA approved humane methods of slaughter. Yeah.
yeah, you know, we are from Saudi Arabia,
Yeah.
so you know this is method is like are prevented, you know, in my country.
Do you think that maybe what we do as consumers can help prevent this?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's hard to convince people to not eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's complicated.
Like what do you think would make it easier for you? Like is it taste? Is it habit?
Yeah, it's habit.
Yeah.
It's a habit. Like I need to eat chicken 2 days.
Comes naturally to you,
Yeah,
right? As
yeah.
you grew up with it. Yeah, we all did. Yeah, I'm from Costa Rica, and we grew up eating chicharrón and barbacoa and
Yeah.
like all the same stuff. It's all over the world. And the thing is, you know, we look at this and it doesn't make us feel good. You yourself said, you know, it's ruthless.
Yeah.
And so when we see something we don't like, should we continue to contribute to that?
Yeah, of course.
Because you know what it is, it's our dollar. If we're paying for it, it's going to keep happening. Yeah. I know you said the government. The problem is companies like corporations like this are not immoral or moral.
Yeah, they're looking
They're-
for the money. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's it.
So we have all the power.
Yeah, will increase the cost, of course. You impose regulation on how to handle them, the animals, from a proper way. The cost will increase on them.
So what would be the proper way to slit the throat of an animal who does not want to die?
I'm not scientist, so I don't know.
Well, do you think that an animal willingly goes into a slaughterhouse? Do you think an animal has a choice as to what we do to them and what we do to their bodies?
So you are thinking it's not possible for them, it's not useful for them to be shot at all, in whatever way possible.
Yeah. No matter how good a life that animal lives, can we morally justify taking that life away from them? Because doesn't every sentient being value life just like us? I mean, every animal in those videos fights for their life.
But the problem is what we are going to eat if we don't.
What do you think we eat?
What?
Everything else.
Vegan.
Vegan, yeah,
There will
okay.
be, we have bacon made from plants. We don't eat dairy. We consume soy milk, almond milk, cashew milk, pistachio milk, rice milk, coconut milk.
Yeah, I have read about it.
Now it's
Like in
2019.
Saudi Arabia, we have like tofu cheese and soya beans. Two factories in open. So there is a demand for it.
Yeah, it's growing, and it all depends on us, you know?
Cheese, tofu cheese,
Yeah.
and milk.
In my country, at least we have like regulations prevent ways, really ruthless ways to slaughter animals.
No,
But
but
we didn't reach to that like prevent.
Yeah,
Like,
you never thought about...
Yeah, we have governmental regulations to organize how it's happening. It's not about like gathering them, killing them together.
Okay.
It's like how to give them. If you want like to kill an animal, you have to make it so fast.
Right.
Yeah.
Does that make it okay, though? Like, what if I said that, I don't know if you have animal companions at home, like a dog or a cat. If I said, well, it doesn't matter, if I want to eat dog, I should be able to eat dog as long as I kill him fast, you know?
Yeah, but since there are a lot of people.
They understood.
Yeah, I know.
They are not justify any way.
Yeah,
Whatever way,
I know, but
they to be slaughtered.
there is a lot of portion of people that still eats those kind of like
True.
meat. So at least you have to start.
With you.
Yeah, with
And
me,
with you.
of course, yeah. But at least to start controlling how they are getting slaughtered.
Well,
Then after
there are laws in place. There are laws in place, and like I said, that's all standard industry practice. For example, with eggs, you know, when chickens lay eggs and they hatch, they're either male or female. In the egg industry, what we do with the males is on their first day of life, because they're males and they cannot lay eggs, they are macerated alive. They are suffocated in plastic bags. It's millions and millions and millions of baby chicks, just because they're born male, because the industry has no need for them. And so no matter how you put it, no matter how many laws and regulations, these are just things that need to happen for the industry to work. Another thing is dairy. What needs to happen for a mother cow to make milk? She needs to be pregnant, you know, like every mammal. And when she gives birth to her baby calf, in order for humans to get the milk, we take the baby calf away from the mother. So that's just at the most basic level. Next time, go, especially here in LA, you go and you look for the vegan section and do a little experimentation. There's nothing wrong with trying new things.
Yeah, we'll try.
Yeah?
Salad, yeah, try salad. Wait.
We don't do these. I actually don't.
On the weight.
You know what I had today? I had jackfruit nachos, barbecue sliders, all vegan. There's so many amazing foods, because people still think for some reason that we eat tofu and grass. I don't know why, because I wouldn't be very happy eating tofu and grass. Go to Veggie Grill. It's right here in Santa Monica, and they have the most amazing burgers.
Do you know some places in Irvine?
Vine.
We love Irvine, yeah.
Oh, Irvine. In Orange County? Oh, there are a lot. Actually, if you download this app called Happy Cow, yeah, or just on Yelp, you can look up vegan restaurants. And sometimes you don't have to go to all vegan restaurants. You can go to any restaurant and just look at what their vegan options are. At least most restaurants have at least one. But definitely try the vegan restaurants, because they're specialized and they will make good food. Well, I mean, thank you so much for listening, and I hope you know, just never underestimate the power that you can have as an individual. I know it seems hopeless, because you look around, you're like,
everybody's going to eat
eating
burger
it.
for his dinner.
But we can't think like that.
Thank you. Yeah, keep up.
Yeah, well, I'll leave you guys with the extra resource. Like, these are some really good documentaries, really good YouTube videos you can read up on, and yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're worth it to me.